Hello everyone, this is Dashini, and in this video we are going to be talking about self-discipline. Make sure that you watch this video completely because by the end of this video you would have learned the one thing that makes self-discipline easier. Let's get started. Self-discipline is a habit. Don't think of it as something that takes away your freedom from you. It actually saves your energy instead of having to actively think of every small task that you do. By making discipline a habit, you will have more energy available to focus on the more important tasks in your life. Indiscipline is comfortable. That's why most people choose to be that way. It also makes you feel stressed after you have been indisciplined. In the present, it is really comfortable to not have a strict schedule, but after a few months or days, if you look back at yourself, you won't be happy with your results. Being indisciplined actually uses up a lot of energy for even small tasks to be done, since you're distracted. Every time you change the task that you do, there is a huge time lag and energy used up to focus on this new task. So, when you don't have a schedule, you normally tend to juggle between tasks and feel overwhelmed and stressed. But if the same work was done one by one instead of switching between tasks constantly, then more work can be accomplished in a relaxed state of mind. This is because you have saved up so much of energy that you previously wasted on switching, refocusing, and also the energy wasted on stressing out. From discipline, you lose nothing but gain incredible positive benefits. Though it might be uncomfortable in the beginning, long term will be blissful. Hit that like button if you're enjoying this video so far. The reason you're not being disciplined is because you think that it would be painful. In reality, you will be more happy and energetic and feel the process being smooth if you're disciplined. So, plan out your day. Freedom is having your mind under complete control that it does what you say. If you say that it's work time, you must be able to work, and if you say it's sleep time, you must be able to go to sleep. True freedom is when you don't give any excuses to the things that you're supposed to be doing. Everyone knows that self discipline will take you to the next level of life. But in spite of knowing, due to your association of pain with self discipline, you're not able to execute it. This not only applies to self discipline. Whatever you want to achieve in life, find a way to associate pleasure with the process of working towards your goal. For example, you like sitting in the park, but you don't like to do your emails. Now, to get your work done, you can link the park and emails together. Now, how do you do it? You can make it a point that you do your emails as soon as you reach the park. Only once you're done, you can enjoy your time in the park. Human brain always tries to avoid things that it perceives to bring pain. So, if you want to get yourself to do something, find a way to associate pleasure to the process of achieving the goal and not the goal itself. Because even when the goal might be pleasurable, if you associate pain towards the process, then you won't be able to move towards your goal. This concept is from a book called Awaken the Giant Within, written by Tony Robbins. I highly encourage you guys to give that book a read since it's highly insightful. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about the mindset required to make your life amazing. If you can't associate any pleasure with the process, then take up a 30-day challenge and force yourself to do whatever habit you're trying to incorporate into your life. Then analyze how you feel about yourself before doing the work and after doing the work for 30 days. Since it was a habit that you always wanted to have, you will definitely feel better after 30 days. Now, since you've got a feeling of how pleasurable the process is, it will be easier for you to follow through. Now, since you've got a feel of how good it feels, it will be easier for you to follow through. So, in summary, the one thing that makes self-discipline easier is the perception towards self-discipline. If you associate pleasure with the process, you will be disciplined. If you associate pain with the process, then it's hard to be disciplined. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I genuinely hope that this video was helpful, and see you in the next video.